Alrighty folks, we're here with cameraman Dan and we're ready to show you how easy it is to put in a factory radio that has been rebuilt and upgraded for our Dodge Ram truck here, our wonderful truck.
The ambulance.
Right, and it's really simple. The old radio is right there. It died, like the screen died, the lights here don't work, and the radio function kind of works when it wants to. So I reached out and we're talking to JEGS, and JEGS said that they might have just the right solution for us. So here we go. We got a radio from JEGS. It's super simple. It plugs directly into the truck's wire harness. It is ready to go. How simple was it, Danny? It took us how long? 5 minutes?
3 minutes.
It was pretty simple once we got the dash bezel off.
Yeah. Which that now needs to be replaced.
Yeah, they're kind of expensive, so that's another day. So be careful when you're taking yours off. Anyway, this is a factory Mopar radio. Super simple, uses the factory wire harness, and this one comes with an aux jack that you can place anywhere. We're not sure where we want to put it yet. So what we did here to protect the wire, because it can rub, is we put some electrical tape on it just to protect it from any edges. And we plugged in everything we got here. We have 2 plugs that go in the back of the radio. We have a ground wire and the antenna, of course. That's plugged in. It's ready to go. You just slide it in place. We tucked the wire underneath here to hold it in place. You just slide the radio in, of course. There we go, like that. The wire hangs down here along the side.
And it's 2 little bolts, that's it. 2 10mm bolts.
Little screws, they're real simple. They thread into plastic, so be careful with them. Don't strip out your stuff. As you see here, Danny's just putting them in by hand to start with. And then we got this overkill ratchet just to snug them up a little bit more.
Now you're gonna want to use the Polish grunt system, right?
No, not even that, just a snug, just a snug.
Yeah, you're not even gonna want to use the grunt system. You just want them snug.
Just snug, it's plastic. You know what? It's in. Everything's plugged up. Let's adjust that there so it doesn't overwhelm us somewhere funky. And I've got my aux cable here that plugs directly into the aux jack for the radio. This overrides any function. All you have to do to not use the aux is unplug it. But we're going to test it with the aux. Super simple. So give us a moment. We're just going to turn this on and get some music up to test it. Alright, so we're ready to test it here. All I got to do is press play on the phone. The radio's on, everything's plugged in. We already tested all the other functions. They work good. Unfortunately, we don't have licensing for that music, so of course we can't play it, but we can play this for you. We're just going to test it out quick. Let's see how it does.
Better audio than the old one.
It is. It sounds much better. Now we can plug in our phones. This is going to make road tripping a lot more fun.
And we'll be able to go to more tractor shows. If the truck ride's more enjoyable, we'll want to go more.
Right. Hey folks, we're here on the JEGS website. JEGS helped me out with getting that radio sponsorship deal. Hopefully we'll see some more stuff from JEGS, some more things we can bring to show you more content. JEGS has some great deals going on, like their President's Day sale that's going on right now. And if you keep an eye on Facebook and Instagram, I should be posting more deals as they come out. I get some good stuff to show you guys. So anyway, here we have the President's Day sale. You get $10 off of a $100 order, $20 off a $200 order, and $30 off a $300 order. That's pretty good. All you got to do is use the code SPRING20. It's a pretty good deal, don't you think, Dan?
Oh, yeah.
I think so, too. Anyway, JEGS has some great stuff here, and I'll show you the radio that I got. Alrighty, folks, this is the radio we got for the truck. It's a factory replacement. That means that it plugs and plays. There's no cutting, splicing, funky connectors, or adapter harnesses. This one plugs and plays. It also has the upgraded auxiliary input for audio, which is great. That's this little deal here. That's how we plugged the phone in. That's how you heard those wonderful tunes. Alrighty folks, thanks for watching. Remember, check out JEGS. They're a great sponsor. They got a pretty good sale going on right now. I'll drop a link down below where you can get the similar radio to what I got, or same radio. You can also look at other ones. They've got a lot of options. So please comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out what they gave Cameraman Dan.
Nice JEGS shirt.
It's a $50 shirt that they sent him just to be nice. Great company so far. Check them out. Link below.
Check out our Facebook and Instagram, and have a wonderful day.